Hello, let's get into marketing channels. So, what are marketing channels? They are simply the different ways that businesses use to reach out to their customers and promote their products or services. Think of it as the various methods that companies use to get their message across and let people know about what they have to offer. For example, marketing channels can be things like ads on TVs or online, social media posts, email newsletters, sales promotions, or even just good old-fashioned word of mouth. Basically, any way that a company can get their name and product out there is considered a marketing channel. In this video, we're going to cover 5 marketing channels and how to plan your user journeys. The 5 marketing channels we'll be discussing are website, social media, email, search, and pay-per-click. Your website is the hub. For the most part, businesses want to drive traffic back to their website so that they can sell there. A primary objective here is to understand that your website is by far the most important and most powerful thing, because it's like a little ecosystem that will allow people to understand what your brand is and why you are a social enterprise and what is it that you're offering and selling. Social media can be a powerful tool for marketing because it allows businesses to connect with their target audience in a more personal and engaging way. Social media allows businesses to interact with their customers in real time, respond to inquiries, and address any concerns or complaints they might have. This can help to build a positive relationship with customers and increase their loyalty to the brand. Social media also allows businesses to share a variety of content, including blog posts, images, videos, and infographics. By creating and sharing engaging content that resonates with their target audience, businesses can increase brand awareness, drive traffic to their website, and generate leads. What I would suggest is that you use a chunked down email content for social. This means that you won't have to create original content for social. Every social media platform has a different type of personality. If you offer business-to-business services, you might find businesses are more likely to respond and be present on LinkedIn. They're less likely to be on TikTok. Community groups might be better formed on Facebook. Remember, if your work looks great, then use Instagram and Reels. If you're looking for good content and knowledge, YouTube is the place. If you do youth project, then Instagram and TikTok would be the right places. Understanding your social media personalities would then support you in understanding where your audience are and also tying down some of those key personas. One important advantage of email marketing is that the people who receive your emails are actively signed up for them. This means they are already interested in your business or brand and are more likely to engage with your content. You want people to be able to find you by searching for the products or services that you are offering, or the problems that they are out there to solve. That means you need to optimize your website for search engines like Google. This will increase your website's visibility and ranking in Google search results and drive more traffic to your website. We talked in our previous video about using keywords everywhere to get a better understanding of what your audience is searching for. Pay-per-click campaigns usually refer to Google ads, Facebook ads, or other types of social media paid advertising. Most people tend to use Google ads. Pay-per-click is last for a reason. Your website, social, emails, and search need to be in play and doing quite well before you think about using pay-per-click advertising. If your website isn't working correctly and you're not able to rank because your keywords are out of place, but then you start doing a paid advertised campaign anyway, then you might be putting money into keywords that aren't going to work. So as you can see, the website and socials and emails and search are definitely the ones to tackle first before considering doing pay-per-click campaigns. Now that you know your marketing channels and you know that your website is the hub of your digital marketing, it's time to talk about the user journey, which is how the user gets from wherever they are to where they need to be, because they don't start there. The main thing to think about is that you're not just trying to bring visitors to your website. You're trying to get them to do something once they're there. Usually that's going to be buying something from you, but it might be signing up to your newsletter or something else. That's the whole reason for why you've got a website in the first place. Whatever it is you want them to do, the percentage of your audience that you're able to get to do that thing is called your conversion rate. And it's your main target for your digital marketing campaigns. Imagine somebody finds you on social media and follows a link to your website, but your question is, where do you want them to go on your website? You don't want people to go back to your homepage because they may need to take an extra step to get to your shop or wherever you want to take them. You want to bring them to a specific conversion point. That might be a purchase or signing up to a mailing list. Try to make sure the links in your social media posts and newsletters are specific to a particular campaign. The point here is that you're trying to sell something specific or advertise a specific sale or event. You're not just trying to tell people about your business in general. We'll talk more about planning and scheduling your marketing campaigns, including social media posts and email newsletters, in the video Planning Your Marketing Campaign. A good way to get better at using your marketing channels is to see how other companies use theirs. Look at the last 3 marketing emails you got. Where did the first links in those emails take you? What part of the website is that? Thanks for watching this video. By now, you should understand how to use different digital marketing channels and how to plan other user journeys to get the results that you want. Remember that by focusing on what your audience does when they get to your website, you can keep your plans focused on results. That way you can focus on content that is actually converting to something that we want.